experience in cooking Japanese food is almost 30 years, more than 30 years. I'm cooking different kind of noodles. One day I tried to, but you know, I like also bok choy, the local bok choy. No, one day I tried to make my expertise in cooking Japanese ramen, mixing the combination, the technique of cooking ramen into local bok choy. No, so I mix that. Combination of technique of cooking. So I try and make my son to taste the bok choy using Japanese ingredients. No, just like you see this. No, this is the Oishi bok choy. No, using Japanese ingredients, combining to local bok choy. When I taste the mixing, the combination, and the techniques I use, wow, ang sarap pala. So, ang sarap because of the healthy benefits of the miso. They that time, the Oishi bok choy was born. Yeah. Doon nagsimula ang Oishi bok choy. Then, lalo na akong nagpasalamat sa mga Ilonggano dahil 2 weeks na kami nag-open yata, almost a month na. Natanggap naman ng mga taga Ilonggano yung bok choy, no? They appreciate it, no? So, lalo ko na lang naganahan dahil hindi lang ano bang significant ng Oishi bok choy? Masarap na, pero ang ino-offer ko dito is yung mga health benefits na naibibigay ng bok choy, na Oishi bok choy. We use egg noodle. Instead of miki, we use egg noodle. And to add more, we add black garlic oil, which many benefit to our health. No? So, sana pagpatuloy nyo at dito nagsimula yung Oishi bok choy dito sa Iloilo bago namin to ilo-launch sa nationwide. No? Ngayon, pag tinanggap daw ng Iloilo, dahil dito nanggaling ang original bok choy, pag tinanggap nila, ibig sabihin, tatanggapin na sa lahat. So, maraming salamat sa lahat, lalo na yung mga bisita rito sa pagpunta nyo at pakikinig. Salamat po!
Thank you so much, Sir Benji, and syempre